Hey everybody, Bearded Gatherer back. It's not magic this time. I actually found a bunch of these at a steal. A bunch of these different Heroclix sets. I don't know if anybody remembers this game or if y'all play it, if you even know what it is. But it's a cool little Marvel DC figure game. I used to play a long time ago. I didn't know they still made it. Apparently they do. And I got a bunch of different sets, so I'm going to open up a few sets here and let y'all see it as well. I have no idea what are these. So these are way past when I was playing the game. But let's see what we got here. Let's see here. It's a lot of plastic. Oh, it's going to be a mess. Let me just get them all out of the plastic and then we'll check them out. Okay. I think I just broke his hand off. I did. I indeed did. There it is. Okay. It's not the best way to package these guys, clearly. They're very fragile. Come on, cooperate with me. There we go. Okay, that's not cool. Alright, well, let's see what we got here after I get this out. Okay, we've got Green Arrow. It's pretty cool. Looks like his old school look. Got Colonel Rick Flag Jr. The broken one. We've got Merlin with his missing hand now. Hope that wasn't a rare. We've got Red Hood. Looks like an opera singer of some kind. Anyway, last one in the pack was Talon. He's probably the rare, and I don't know who he is. Looks like he's somebody from Batman. So, these are all the info cards. Just keep those over here to the side. Let's see what's left here. I haven't opened these for a long while, so you have to bear with me. Oh, well, that one looks rare. Anything down in the bottom of that box? Who knows? Let's see here. Okay, here we got Calculator. Okay, seems just like your ordinary nerd or something. Another Green Arrow. Right there with another one. What's this guy? Come on. Oh no. Are you kidding me? They really got to work on these packages. Well, it was Sandman. I'm going to have to glue him back on there. They really got to work on these packaging. Put that guy. He's broken as well. Crap. Let's try not to break this one. This one looks special. Who is it? That's Thangarian. It's still a cool looking figurine. I like that. Been a long time since I played this game too. Alright. This lady is Court of Owls Initiate. No idea. Wearing a funky mask. Alright, last chance to actually open something without breaking it on this Joker set. Come on. So just cooperate. All I want you to do is cooperate. We got some kind of Robo Penguin. Don't know what this is. But it's a cute little penguin. Oh, look at it. Robo Penguin. Carefully. Who's this? The Atom. I don't recognize that guy. Before my time. Okay, we got Court of Owls Assassin. Okay. We got the Secretary and now the Assassin. We're going to see Initiate, not the Secretary. She looks like a Secretary. Alright, we got Commissioner Gordon. Oh, okay, Batman. Commissioner Gordon. Poor buddy. I don't think any of these are from like the movies or nothing. I think this is the comic books. Maybe the cartoon. Come on out. Harley Quinn. Don't break on me. Harley Quinn. Alright. Last one. I think this, yep, this is the one the Penguin came with. It's the Penguin, I think. Yep. The Penguin. Pretty sure it's a rare because of that silver ring on it. Well, that's cool though. Got some Heroclix. I haven't played that game in a long time. I've got a few other sets. I'm going to open them up based on what set they are. Now I need to glue these figures back together. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.